A very good morning to everyone. I'm here to present my system. My name is RAJALETCHUMI VELOO. My system is about Malay text simplification using machine learning. Here is the few information about my team. The first part is about the introduction. For the background, the Malay text simplification system using machine learning is a web-based application aimed at facilitating language comprehension by identifying complex words in a Malay text. The next is the problem statement. English language text simplification system have been developed due to its universal usage, but there is a scarcity of system for other languages, including Malay, which is the national language of Malaysia. Here is the project overview. The objective of this project is to develop an efficient and accurate text simplification model for Malay language text using machine learning techniques. Two machine learning models have been used in this system. XGBoost and also multinomial MB will be employed to identify complex words within the Malay text. Moreover, the system aims to evaluate the performance of the model using standard metrics and built in a web-based apps. Here is the contribution to the society. My invention provides a valuable resource for students, particularly those with the learning challenges in Malay language, such as non-Malaysian people. And also, the educational institutions can incorporate with a web-based application into their curriculum, enhancing the language learning experience for their students. And also, the broader community can benefit from this invention, where the Malay language learners, and both within Malay and beyond, can utilize the system to enhance their language skills. The next part is the methodology. My development has been go through the few stages. The first is data preprocessing, feature extraction, training, testing, splitting, learning model, and also classification output. Here is the finding for my invention. Based on the findings, XGBoost provide the most accurate and also reliable result, and multinomial MB provide the most accurate and also reliable result. But 80% from the respondents satisfied with the XGBoost model performance. Here we can see the accuracy score for the XGBoost. For the train, it shows 76.96%, and also for test, it shows 75.89% with the highest accuracy. Here are the few images about my interface. For the conclusion, the Malay text simplification system using machine learning project contributes to the interdisciplinary research in the field for text simplification. Specifically for the Malay language, it lays the foundation for the future advancements in its area and identify exciting prospects for further study. Ultimately, the project strives to enhance to the overall understanding of Malay text and also improve the language comprehension skills of its users, thereby fostering an enriched learning environment. The next part is the project demonstration of my system. First, I explain my system. For example, here if I enter a word sire and submit, the system will show it's a complex or a not complex word. As per we can see, it shows it's a not complex word. And here I would like to try another one word. For example, I'm entering another one word which is pemeriksaan. Submit. The system will show it's a complex word for a Malay word. When I would like to compare it with the standard system which has been developed before this, for example, here I'm entering the word sire, rewordify the text, and then the system will show nothing was reworded, which means the system cannot read a word in a Malay. We would like to try it with another one word, pemeriksaan. Rewordify the text. It will shows the same. It shows the error, which means even it's a standard system for a word simplifying, it can't simplify a Malay text. But my system is the invention for classify the Malay text. Other than that, my system will also have a data visualization part where it can shows the overall data set that I have in two type of data. The first one is in a histogram and the second one is in a pie chart. It shows the data set that I have and its percentages. Next, we can see the contact page. Here we can see few information about the teammates. And then we can log out from the page. The system will back to the main page. As a user, they can log in and reuse the system again. Now we go for the admin page. For the admin page, the admin can do the two things. The first thing is manage the user list and also view the data set of the project. For the user list, the admin can edit, delete, and also add the user data. All the information over here will be stored in the PHP Admin database. Other than that, for the data set, it shows the overall data that we contain for this project. As per we can see, this page contains the overall database that we use to process our system. This is the copyright of my project. That's all from me. Thank you.